Hello, babe. Yeah, babe, what's up? Yeah, I know what today is now.
Today is Valentine's Day now. What are you getting me?
I know now. I got your favorite. Trust me now. I got you car.
A what? A car? Hello?
Hello? Hello, babe. Can you hear me? Boy, network every time. Now, wow.
Wait. Did you say it's getting? Let me come. Did you say it's getting me a car? A car? No, wait.
On I get issue now, all this Valentine something now, and I go buy things.
Good, see who they talk. You don't already wear red for Valentine Day. See, we went on join Stingy Men Association. All our members, we didn't give any girl. She.
Stingy Men Association.
See the people when they do love here now.
And you, truly, you wear red though. Babe, you know get. You had the babe on from fall. Oh boy, my brother, to get babe no be bad thing. I get, I no go deny am. I know wetin my babe they like. I don't already get am for am.
Baby. Oh, baby, thank you. You got me a car. Thank you so much. The car.
Calm down now. A car. Babe, wait. If I buy you car now, you know gonna find who I used to ritual. I don't buy you car. I mean your favorite juice, Capri Sun, where you dey like.
You bought me Capri Sun.
Babe, you no come like Capri Sun again.
Just so far. Just give me.
Babe.
When you give me key, my guy they find a car.
Baba. Okay, now where they go?
When I come out,
Babe, come this side.
A few moments later.
I can't kill myself. Oh, no.